Hi, my dear friends. Today we are going to new topic called. So before going to topic, I want to ask one formula for you. Change in velocity. So if you take change in velocity, what is the formula for change in velocity? So change in velocity is formula is final velocity minus initial velocity. So not only this formula, any change in value that is nothing but final value minus initial value. This is a basic what all has to know. The change in value is equals to final value minus initial value. Based upon this concept, that is nothing but change in value change in value. Based on that concept, I am going to discuss today, that is nothing but temperature coefficient of resistance. So as the temperature is going to be changed, the resistance is also going to be changed. So we are going to discuss today regarding that topic. So you consider that initial value of a resistance R naught, that is the initial value at 0 degrees centigrade, and if you consider the final value as your RT at T degrees centigrade. So your change in resistance, what is the formula for change in resistance? Right now I had said that is nothing but final value RT minus your initial value. What is the initial value? R naught. R naught is your initial value. So final value is equals to, so that is nothing but change in resistance is equals to final value minus initial value. From this equation, I can write one formula as change in resistance is directly proportional to your initial value. Is it right? If there is any change in the initial value, then automatically there is a change in resistance. If the temperature, if you are considering the temperature of from 0 degrees, so your initial values, if the temperature, if you consider from 10 degrees, definitely the del R value is going to be changed. So similarly, one more I can write that del R, that is nothing but change in resistance, is directly proportional to your temperature. If temperature increases, your resistance value is going to be increased or decreased based upon the type of material what you taken. So these are the basic things you have to learn, that is this formula change in resistance is equals to final value of resistance minus initial value of resistance. And one more thing, your change in resistance is directly proportional to your initial value. Your change in resistance is directly proportional to your final value. From these two, that is from this and this, I can write one more thing. So I can write one more thing here. You can see here, I can write one more thing. So we have two, that is del R. So del R is directly proportional to R naught, and del R is directly proportional to del T, that is temperature, your initial value and temperature. From this equation we can write del R is directly proportional to R naught into del T, R naught into del T. Okay, del T. So R naught into del T. So to remove this proportionality, we use the proportionality constant called del R is equals to alpha into R naught into del T. So this alpha is called as a temperature coefficient of resistance. Temperature coefficient of resistance. Temperature coefficient of resistance is denoted by the letter alpha. And what is the units of temperature coefficient of resistance in SI? If you take alpha is equals to, this will come to here, that is nothing but del R by R naught into del T. Is it right? R naught into del T. This is ohms. This is also ohms. Temperature is in kelvins. Here ohms get cancelled. Your TCR is inverse Kelvin. The unit of TCR is inverse Kelvin. The unit of TCR is inverse Kelvin. Okay, that is one more point. So here one of the important point what I want to tell is alpha is equals to del r by r naught into del T is the formula. So from the past equation we got the coefficient, temperature coefficient of resistance. So this TCR, temperature coefficient of resistance, I want to say one thing, del R by R naught, del R by R naught, this del R by R naught is nothing but the fractional, this del R by R naught is a very small value, that is nothing but the fractional change in resistance. This del R by del naught is nothing but the fractional change in resistance. So from that we can define the temperature coefficient of resistance definition as, so we can define from this equation the temperature fractional change in the resistance per unit rise in temperature, fractional change in resistance per unit temperature, per unit temperature. From the equation del R is equals to alpha R naught into del T, from this equation, so del R is equals to, that is temperature coefficient of resistance, that is alpha into R naught into del T. So from this equation we can take del R is nothing but final value minus initial value is equals to this entire equation will come as it is. From this equation RT is equals to, RT is equals to what will happen, what will happen, this R naught goes to the side, then alpha R naught del T, this minus goes to the side plus R naught. Okay, that is R naught, this is also R naught. So R naught, so from this you can take R naught as common, then RT is equals to, if you take R naught as common, R naught as common, then that is nothing but alpha del T plus 1, alpha del T plus 1. This is the, this is nothing but change in temperature value. From this formula you can find the change in temperature if you given the initial value and the rise in temperature and coefficient of resistance. And from this formula you can find the coefficient of resistance if you know the change in temperature, and also this is del R. Del R is nothing but initial values and final values. Okay na, R naught is nothing but the initial value. So this is the temperature rise in temperature rise in resistance. And I want to ask you one more question is, what is the temperature rise in resistivity? What is the temperature rise in resistivity? Till now we have discussed about the temperature rise in resistance. Then what is the next question is temperature rise or temperature coefficient of resistivity. We have discussed the formulas, temperature rise and also temperature coefficient alpha for resistance. I am asking in the form of resistivity. So you know that R is directly proportional to rho. R is directly proportional to rho. Then what is your formula of temperature coefficient of resistance? R is equals to del R by R naught into del T. If you replace all R with rho, alpha is equals to then del rho by rho naught into del T. This is the temperature coefficient of resistivity. This is the temperature coefficient of resistivity, and I wanted you to comment in the below section regarding the temperature coefficient of conductivity. I want that formula from you who are watching this, and I will be saying in the next class about that formula. Thank you for watching me. Subscribe this channel. I am going to give some more classes and some more knowledge for you. Thank you very much. Subscribe me. I am signing out. Bye.